For your Tesla Model 3 accessory video, I'm going to share with you guys this Halodisc 2 from Haloblk. It's a great way to make a car look sleek and modified, but best of all, it's going to give you over tested 30 miles of range by using a fully covered hubcap for your Tesla, so that way it's aerodynamic. Because obviously with its rims, you could see that there's holes here, and when the wind goes through it, there is going to be a resistance. And if you go to the Tesla website, you're going to see that simply by switching the rims from your 19-inch down to the 18-inch with a hubcap, then you get more miles. So obviously with a fully covered hubcap like this, you're going to get even more miles, and it just looks great also. What I love about this Halodisc 2 is that Haloblk has a lot of amazing, awesome, cool looking design in their website that you could pick from. You could pick from a white hubcap or a black hubcap. This was a pre-design that they already had, but I changed the numbers to 67 because that seems to be like a popular number nowadays. I even changed the text to have my family name. I got my whole family name in there, and I put my little coronation right over there too. That's a Guam coronation right there. This hubcap is probably the easiest hubcap to install. I mean, it does take a couple of minutes or so to install it. It comes with just locking mechanisms like this. The turquoise clips is for the right side of your Tesla, and then they give you the red one to be on the left side as well. Now, depending on your rims, you have to select the H1 or H2 clips. So they made it where whatever rims that you have, this Halodisc will fit in all of them. So that's awesome of them to do that. Very smart of them to do that. Here's how to install the discs. First, wipe the rims clean so you can apply the provided tape on the edge of the rims. Push in the center lock button, then insert it into the center opening, then screw in the center lock. You want to keep this inside your car in case you need to put some air in your tire and take the hubcap off. Use the tool to hand tighten the center lock in place. Now put on the washer. You can use the other center lock cap if your rim is different, so check your manual to make sure you pick the proper center cap. Position the Halodisc in place and screw in the cap with your hands, then lock it in tightly and hand tighten it with a tool. Insert your hex screw and use your hex tool to hand tighten it so the center lock stays in place. Install the center cap and just turn it slightly to the right to tighten it. Haloblk Halodisc 2 are easy to install and easy to take out when you need to put air into your tires or if you want a different disc design. Use my discount code MYOUNG at haloblk.com.